But you know why it was that late though? Because she was playing games when we first started talking, and she wouldn't let me kiss her. So
I'ma always love you 'cause it's you and I.
this is Demaya,
This is the Geo.
and we're Goat and Boat. So
Go.
she got a big head. That's why we call her Boat. I'm just kidding. Start off with
do a little
good.
Q&A, a little get to know the couple.
20 questions. Number 1. When and where do we meet?
You want to tell your truth, or you want me to tell mine first? 'Cause
You can tell your truth first.
Alright.
I'll let you go. Ladies
Alright.
first. Remember that. Yeah, I'm a gentleman.
2015. Let's take it all the way back.
Damn.
I was a freshman. He was sophomore. I had a crush on him. I told him, and he friend-zoned me. Because I was ugly.
In my defense, she is right partially on that, the whole thing. She wasn't ugly, alright? She wasn't ugly. We did meet, though, in 2015, right? It was 2015.
Yeah, 2015.
I think we started off being, like, social media friends or something like that. Where was our first date? Our first date was Young's Buffet.
May 18th, 2018. His graduation. He grabbed me and kissed me, and I couldn't stop smiling.
Yeah. There's a lot going on that day.
Oh, yeah.
So I had to kiss her. Number 4, who said I love you first? Yeah, it was me. I said it first.
Yeah, you did.
That was bad. Like, that was...
I
Yeah,
think really we felt it at the same time, but we just didn't say it. Like, you
yeah,
said it
because
first.
she's all shy. Number 5, when is my birthday?
November 8th, 1999.
Yeah, I'm so
Let go.
old. I'm so
Where
old.
was I born, Gio?
You're born in the Melbourne Hospital? Number 7, what color are my eyes?
I'm not looking. I'm not looking. They're brown. But
Whoa.
when you get tired, they're like hazel. They lighten.
You guys
I
heard
don't know
that
if that's
first,
a thing,
right?
But they look
Yeah,
really pretty.
I get tired. I get tired sometimes.
Like cucumbers. You don't like tomatoes. You don't like onions. But like... but you love mushrooms.
Sauteed, yeah.
Yeah. Which food do I like and which food do I hate?
It's funny because she doesn't like mushrooms.
I
Right?
like
She loves macaroni and cheese. She loves mac and
Just
cheese,
a
like
little kid.
like
Wait, what's
little
another-
kid. Like she'll get chicken tenders and mac and cheese every day if she could.
It's true.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I know it's true.
It's very true.
I'm sitting in front of the TV. What's on the screen?
Honestly, I got 2 answers for you right now.
Go ahead.
You're watching basketball or you're watching SpongeBob?
That's a lie.
No, it's not.
That's a lie. Basketball? Yeah. Anything
Or like anime,
basketball,
but like
anime.
as long
Anime
as
should have been her first.
okay, but as long as
Number
we've
1.
been hanging out, we watch anime together. But mainly when we're watching TV, you be putting on basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We only watch SpongeBob together. Or anything about like rebuilding houses and you know all that girly stuff.
You did not pull the dance moms on me. I thought you were gonna say Shameless.
I'm talking about Shameless
Oh
might be on
my
there, but Dance Moms
God.
that's always on there.
60.
That's a 60-inch TV, so we got like a mini movie theater in here, but yeah. What's my favorite band / musician?
I mean, my first off the top of the head would be X.
Okay.
Like that's all off the top of my head.
Oh, that's
like,
XXX Tentacion. That's who she's talking about.
that's what I'm referring to.
Not DMX. I think some of y'all don't even know who that is. Whoever gonna be watching, some of y'all not gonna know who that is. But yeah. I also have another favorite artist too. She knows T motherfucking Grizzly. Her favorite art. She don't really have like favorites. It's like she has a select few that she likes to listen to. I can name a couple. We don't like country at all.
I like T Grizzly.
Yeah, we're some
And-
Cubs. We call each other Cubs.
We're some
'cause
baby Cubs.
T Grizzly, yeah, we.
Who else?
Yeah.
I listen to like a lot of throwbacks.
Yeah, she likes old like R&B, like early 2000s R&B. She likes Tupac.
Yes.
And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's that.
When and where did you meet my parents?
Honestly,
I met her dad when I was like younger, like way younger, like because like our dads like knew each other, knew of each other. They didn't really hang out that much, but
they had mostly mutual friends.
yeah, they had like a lot of mutual friends. And yeah, I met her mom
Once we started talking to each other.
once we started like talking to each other and stuff. The talk stage.
Yeah, the talk stage, little honeymoons.
And she used to come over and stuff, like, and they used to bring.
Yeah, my parents would come by and see us. Or we'd go, like, ride around or do something, like run errands or something. And I met your dad. I feel like I met him when I was younger, but then I met him again when we pulled up. And you told him to come here, and I was all shy. I said, stop.
Yeah, yeah.
And then,
She's a little
yeah,
shy.
That's
What's my shoe size?
I feel like a 9, 9.5, maybe 10. I feel like it depends on the shoe. Because shoes are made different.
She got it wrong.
What is it?
It's a 10. By the way, she got me these Pumas. This is a 9.5, and I barely fit them.
Alright.
So I wear like 10, like
10,
9.5, 10, depending on the type of shoe, like if they run small or big.
I didn't say that.
She wears anything from a size 3 to a size 10.5. So
10.5.
Nah, she
Hey,
wears
like
about
a
like
7.5.
a 6. She wears about a 6. Like the
Yeah,
medium
like
numbers,
even,
like
like,
yeah,
yeah.
like 6 probably.
I could be like a 5.5 to like an 8.
What's my weirdest habit?
Honestly, I'm not gonna say this is a habit, but you do this thing. I don't know if someone please tell me, ladies. Is it just my boyfriend? Is my boyfriend broken, or does
Am I broken?
or does your boyfriend twitches?
Yeah, I be jumping in my. Sometimes I jump in my sleep and I just wake up. But I think I'd be dying in like every single dream of mine.
That in the middle of the night. I mean, I feel like this is something we all do.
Yeah,
But,
I
like,
know what this one is.
You be hopping up and drinking, like, you just start chugging water. But I do that too, but
Yeah,
you jump.
I don't know why I jump, but I just be.
You be scaring the shit out of me. I'm like, you okay?
I don't know. I don't know what she's talking about.
What's
Her
my habit?
worst habit. It's not worse because it's a pretty good habit, but she loves drinking water. Like, so it's like that's healthy. That's a
Water's
positive.
essential to life. I say one for you that you don't like for sure is me cracking my knuckles.
Oh my god, what am I good at?
Everything. You're the goat. Apparently you're good at basketball. I don't know. I haven't seen it. So.
Oh man, I
I'm
used to be
offended.
good at basketball, and then I took a long ass break from basketball, and I used to be a shooter. And anybody whoever watches this can go ask anybody that I'm cool with. I used to be able to, like splash, like shit like that. She's good at doing nails. I think she's really good at doing nails. What am I okay at?
Okay.
Yeah.
What does that even mean, though?
She's not okay at anything. Either she's bad at it or she's amazing at it. So, what am I really bad at?
I can't think of nothing. Like, you truly are the goat.
Nothing. Nothing. She's really bad at pool. I mean,
Whoa,
whooping her
you're
ass
bullshitting.
and whooping her ass in
You're
pool. Question number 17. Which sport do I like the most? This one's... Yeah, I like playing basketball more. Yeah, basketball. I was about to say, I like playing basketball more than football, but it's like... But I'm leaning towards basketball to, What's your favorite sport, I said?
Yeah.
Football.
I
She's a
love
football girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's my favorite song? Probably
You don't have a favorite song.
Yeah, I don't have a
It,
favorite
like,
song.
You just like songs. Like, you have your few songs at a time and then you switch, just like normal, like.
Anything like T Grizzly though is probably my favorite song.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Basically.
Same with her though. She's same.
Any,
Not maybe not T
anything from,
Grizzly,
like,
but
throwbacks
yeah,
or
we
some
don't
T
got no
Grizzly. No, I got a
favorite.
couple on
Yeah, we don't got no favorites. What's my favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
Yeah.
Like the Marvel movies, you know? Or you like...
MCU movies, yeah. Like Avengers movies?
Yes.
Like,
or you like Menace to Society?
yeah, my favorite
can't
movie
even
is
think of
Menace to
it.
Society.
I can't even think of the name.
Yeah, well, either Boys in the Hood or Menace to Society is like one of my top, like, you know. Her favorite movie, she don't really got a favorite movie, but she does like,
Got my list.
she does got a couple, like, probably like Juice, Poetic Justice, some more. Am I forgetting something major?
One major, yeah.
Ooh. Goodfellas. She loves that movie. That's probably her number one movie. I'm not gonna lie. What? Last question. Question number 20. What drink do y'all always order?
Honestly, it depends on where we be at. You'll be like Sprite or Baja Blast.
Yeah,
Or
Baja
like
Blast
you get
is
like
my
a tea
favorite.
maybe.
Yeah,
It just depends on where we're
like
at.
a sweet tea. Baja Blast is my favorite drink of all time. Like, I don't care what it is. Her, you know what she be ordering? Like the craziest drink to like ever come. Like, I've never heard of it. It's only at like some places. Water.
H2O.
High quality H2O. She drinks water like religiously. Like
Every 5 minutes I gotta chug some water.
like if they took water off this earth, she'd die from dehydration.
Oh yeah. It's really bad. I have a low tolerance for it.
Yeah. You be having withdrawals and shit of some water. Until next time.
This is first video. So show love.
Yeah. You know, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends.
Turn post notifications on.
Yeah.
Do that.
You guys can show your grandmas, grandpas, aunts, second cousins.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That's Jay right there. We'll get into him more on one of these, episodes of Boat and Goat.